Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my pickled sun-dried tomatoes with herbs. For the preparation, we'll need around 200 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, 500 milliliters of white wine vinegar, 500 milliliters of water, and 1.5 tablespoons of each thyme, basil, and oregano. Firstly, we take our jar and fill it with half of the sun-dried tomatoes. Oops, one wanted to get away. No worries, just get him back in. Now we take our dried herbs and sprinkle them over our tomatoes. First is a tablespoon of thyme, next is a tablespoon of basil, and lastly 1 tablespoon of oregano. Now we add the rest of the sun-dried tomatoes to the jar. Sprinkle over the remaining half of tablespoon of the herbs, but you can even add more if you wish. If you add more herbs, the taste is gonna be more intensive. I prefer to use dried herbs here, mostly due to their stronger aromas. This gives your vinegar and tomatoes more pronounced flavors. Let's prepare our pickling mixture. In a pot, with 50 milliliters of water, and 50 milliliters of white wine vinegar. Let's turn up the heat. Set it to high and cover your pot. It shouldn't take long before it starts to simmer. When it does, uncover your pot and mix it. As soon as it starts to boil, turn off the heat. Now take the vinegar mixture and pour it into the jar. Be careful, it's very hot. Take your spoon and mix it. This way will ensure there are no bubbles present in the jar. At the end, close the lid. Leave the jar to cool and then store it in the fridge. They should last you for up to 6 months, unless you eat them first. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye!